Welcome to SpaceLogic, the experts in tailored storage solutions for healthcare. Today, we're excited to take you on a journey through our recent visit to Wollongong Hospital, where we were shown through their brand new STERIRACK System installation. As we stepped into the hospital's CSSD and theatre stores, we were greeted by the sight of rows upon rows of shelving and baskets. The meticulous organisation and use of STERIRACK click and clip coloured label holders showcase the implementation of a truly superior inventory management system that is a credit to all those involved. During our tour, we engaged in discussions about the various storage options available. Wollongong's choice of static storage stood out for its superior safety benefits. Unlike overhead rail units, static storage eliminates the risk of shoulder and collarbone injuries, as well as tripping hazards, providing a secure and hazard-free environment for staff. Not only does it offer enhanced safety, but static storage can be placed anywhere to fill available space, ultimately leading to greater storage capacity when compared to traditional overhead rail units. Staff also talked about how impressed they were by the modular flexibility of STERIRACK System and how easy it will be to move and reconfigure the units, allowing them to adapt to changing requirements. And staff pointed out yet another key advantage: 100% accessibility and visibility of all stock, ensuring smooth and efficient retrieval processes 100% of the time. Hospital staff also emphasised the practicality of STERIRACK System's coloured label holders, post strips and aisle signage. With 15 colours to choose from, our label holders can be clicked together horizontally and vertically, providing endless opportunities for superior inventory management. It was evident from our interactions with the staff that their new STERIRACK system had a significant impact on their morale. The efficiency and convenience offered by the system not only improved workflow but also created a positive and uplifting atmosphere in the workplace. We're thrilled to have witnessed the impressive STERIRACK system installation at Wollongong Hospital, and we thank all the project stakeholders for the opportunity to be of service. This project is a testament to our commitment to delivering tailored storage solutions that enhance patient care time, improve infection control, maximise available space, and boost staff morale. If you're considering elevating your healthcare facility's consumable storage experience, look no further than STERIRACK System. Contact SpaceLogic today to discover how we can transform your clinical storage across all departments within your hospital or healthcare facility. Together, let's create a safer, more efficient and happier environment for your staff and their patients.